So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a pie chart here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left in between home and draw. It says insert, press on that. Then where it says chart right here, right below where it says smart arts, right above where it says screenshot, and right beside 3D models, press on the little arrow right here. And if you go three options down, you actually can hover over top of this and then select a pie chart of your choosing. So if you wanted to do a basic 2D pie chart, you can do a 3D pie chart, whatever the case may be, your options are here. So if I wanted to go ahead here and just select a 3D pie chart, what it'll actually do is then redirect you to a spreadsheet where you can then input your data that'll be used to create a graphic of your 3D pie charts. I'll do that right away right now. So as mentioned here in the Excel spreadsheet, there actually is some data in the top left. So I'll just go ahead here and make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Here's your data. So if you wanted to go ahead and change this to maybe 5, 5, 5, and 5 to make it equal, you can go ahead and do that. You can also change the wording if you want as well. But for this demonstration, let's go ahead and keep everything the same, and I'll get you guys back to the Word document on what this data actually does when it's reflected onto a Word document. So now that we're back on Microsoft Word, there actually is a chart created. So as you can tell, I have my 4 different quadrants here, all of which are equal in value, equaling 25% as I put 5 in for all the data points. Now what you can actually do is go ahead here and change the color scheme if you want. You can go to the top and sort of change how the chart looks, whatever the case may be. You can play around with it in whatever way you want. You can also change the information here, whatever the case may be. It is completely up to you. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to insert a pie chart into a document here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.